Today, so to continue with our lesson, so you need to understand. Let us have an example related to delta, no, comparing to y. So nanay delta. So let us assume some value, no? Assume value. So let us have BAN is equal to the same sa previous na itong example. This will be 1 angle 0. BBN 1 angle negative 120 degree. BCN 1 angle plus 240. This is with 240 degree, or equal lang yapon siya sa 1 angle 120 degree. This time it is positive. Now, so BEN is what? Kani siya, no? This is the BEN. From here up to here, the BEN. BBN is kani siya. No, nagipakita man ako ni sa inyo tong previous na to nga kuan. BCN is kana siya dara, padulong sa diri. This is BCN. How about BAB? So by looking at this will be the BAB. The terminal padulong dara is the BAB. Ang BBC, the same, no? Dara siya. Ang BCA, from C to A is this one. That's the relationship. But looking at this, no, kung tanaw nimo, ang BBAN is having the same wire, no? They have connected to the same wire in the same configuration. So tanaw nimo, ang BANDI is equal lang siya sa BAB. Ang BBN equal lang gyapon siya sa BBC. Ang BCN equal siya sa BCA. In other words, walay pagbabago. Dili pareho dito sa y nga na ay square root of 3 in an angle 30 degree. So they are the same, no? It doesn't matter. So basically, this will be 1 angle 0 degree. Kanina naman, 1 angle 120 degree and negative. This is 1 angle plus 120 degree. So pareho lang. Imanana lang na siya. Okay? Nothing changed. Thank you for listening.